Okay. Hi. Hi, Isabella. How are you?
Hi. I'm good.
Okay. Isabella's going to demonstrate how to draw a pig. So go ahead.
Okay.
Take your time. It's okay. Wow, looking good. That is fantastic. Are we done? Click the click button. Click done, honey, if you're done. Wow, we have a dancing pig, I guess, right? That's so cute. How do you like it, Isabella?
It's so good.
It's good, right? It's great. I think you did a great job.
Thank you.
Well, thank you so much. High five. Good girl.